Hi everyone, this is a quick, I seem to have got a lot of postage and I hope these are my comic books for Battle Panda. So let's unbox it, let's open it. This is the first time I'm going to see this book. Using a new printer for this, thank you Mixon Printing for this. They packaged it very well indeed. And they packaged it really well. And then let's cut over here. So no matter how many times you do an unboxing video, the first time it's always equally exciting whenever it does this. It's actually my fourth comic book. And here we are. Are we ready for this? Oh wow. Move this box out of the way, make the picture look a bit neater. Here it is. Wow, this looks great. It is Battle Panda issue 1. Lovely glossy cover. And inside, it's come out really well. So, yeah, I'm very happy with the colours, the way it's printed. The feel of it is very glossy, kind of nice paper stock as well. So what I'll do is I'm going to proofread this all. I'll proofread this all. I'm not expecting to find anything I think we've caught everything, but I'll proofread it all. But that is not the only unboxing video today, because this came in the post as well today. And I'm not just showing you the mail I've been getting. If I've got this right, there's a little clue of what it could be. So these are hopefully, let's open this up, again very well packaged, thank you, sticker it. And here are the stickers for Battle Panda. Let's open this up. We went for a little shiny metallic feel, not sure what you call that. Can you see the stickers there? So again, these have come out really nicely. They're kiss card. I won't peel them all, but they're peeled around the shape of the characters. So I'll just take this one off. You can kind of see how that's looking. It looks really great. So if you ordered stickers, you're going to get stickers as well as your comic book, but have one more thing to open still, and this is the Battle Panda. You like postcards? We've got a lot of postcards here. So if you ordered the postcard, you'll be getting the postcard, a little message on the back. So I got books, stickers, postcards. I've got another box here to open, more books. I prepared you envelopes in here, already stuck the labels on them. I've got labels, I've got more envelopes in here, the international ones in here with the labels all stuck on them. So I'm going to now put together the postcards, the stickers, the books to you and get this posted out to you, obviously after I have checked everything. So once again, let me just quickly tidy up. Thank you for your support in helping make this book. I think it's come out really well. I'm really happy for it. And yes, all being well, I'll send you a Kickstarter update today, and I'll be off to the post office to send you out your rewards. Okay, thank you so much for your support. Bye.